Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this Land Rover Sport 2016. It comes up with adaptive dynamic fault, which is to do with the front right damper. Now it'll come up with right rear, left rear, front passenger. So if it does come up with it and you've got the diagnostic machine and it tells you, they are to be found. So it's very easy. It's more or less a DIY job if you ask me. This is the sensor on the suspensions. This is what seems to cause the failure of that fault code you're getting on the screen. So what we would recommend is check the wiring first in here, because they are known as you may appreciate, the engine vibrates, the car moves, and these wires here do cut. If it does, weld it, put it back together, done. If it is nothing there, no sign of like broken wire whatsoever, I would change this sensor then next. Pop it out, it'll change, and it's the same on here as well. If you're getting left passenger, or if you're getting right rear, again, just you see the air suspension is in there in the vehicle, so it's in the boot. So you'll have to take this boot liner off here. It's not hard at all. It really is easy. You'll move this, undo these bolts here, and you'll see it exactly. And the same for that side. But they are known for breaking, I don't know, the wires like being ripped, in other words. But yeah, that'll be the cause. So if you're getting that code, then I'd do that first, and then realistically it'll just clear itself out. If you're lucky, I mean, I'm pretty positive it will do, because it won't detect any fault. But if it doesn't clear, then use the diagnostic machine, clear it all out, and that'll be it really. It very rare does need coding in. If your luck does, then you'll need some at top end, and you'll need to pair it up, code it, calibrate it to the right height level and whatnot.